Hi and welcome to Real Binary Options Reviews. In this video we are going to take a look at the RSI indicator. Now RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum oscillator which is measuring the velocity and magnitude of directional price movements. It is very similar to the stochastic indicator, only we can say it's a bit slower, and we're going to take a look on how to use the RSI indicator to find profitable trades with binary options trading. Now, if you watched the first video where I presented the use of the stochastic indicator, you can see this is the same chart setup, and we're going to continue from here. So as I mentioned before, the stochastic indicator is a good basics, but it should be used with another indicators to confirm the profitable trades. So let us add the RSI indicator onto this chart. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to add indicator, and I'm going to select the RSI. Now once you add the RSI, you can see here it's a period 50 RSI. I want to change it. I want to make it a period 14 RSI, which means it's a bit faster. And I'm going to delete this blue line because we have no interest into this one right now. So I'm going to remove this one. And here you can see I'm getting the RSI indicator, which is a kind of a curve. It's again the oscillator. It moves between two levels, which are defined by 0 and 100%. And how do binary options traders use the RSI is they define the levels usually 70-30, or maybe in some more extreme cases 80-20 or even 10-90. So I like to use the 70-30 lines. So I'm just going to draw two horizontal lines to define the levels. And I'm going to double click and I'm going to enter the value of 70 for this line, and the next line would be the level 30, so I'm going to enter this. Now if you watched the previous video about how the stochastic indicator works, you remember that we said once the stochastic line is below level 20 we can look for the price to go up, and once the stochastic is above the level 80 we can look for the price to go down. The RSI is very similar indicator, so here we only have to define a bit different levels. As I told you, the level 70 and 30. So let's say if the RSI would be above the level 70, or if it would be below the level 30, we are looking for the potential trades. So above level 70 we are looking for the price to go down, and below the level 30 we are looking for the price to go up. So let me just move this back. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So let's say you saw the results that can be achieved only with the stochastic indicator. In a ranging market, the stochastic indicator by itself will allow you to make more trades, and there's quite a big profitability with this. But if you want, you can also use the RSI as the confirmation of the stochastic indicator. So in this case, this would already present a simple trading system. So let's say you can say once the stochastic is below the level 20 and the RSI is below the level 30, I'm looking for the trades up. And similar in fashion, when the RSI is above level 70 and the stochastic is above the level 80, then I am looking for the trades down. So let us try to find these situations, and let's see what kind of trades we could make. So basically I'm waiting for the both lines here to be above the defined levels. So in this case here, if I would wait for the confirmation of the RSI, I wouldn't trade because I want it to be above this upper white level. So let me see where I can find a trade. Okay, so here you can see this would be a situation where I could enter the trade according to the RSI and the stochastic, because you can see the stochastic is above the green level, and here with the closure of this green candle the stochastic just crossed the level 70. So with the closure of this candle I would trade down with 5-minute expiry, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be a winning trade. We already have it marked here from the previous video where we traded only according to the stochastic line. So it's a winning trade. And I'm waiting for the next situation, which would be here. You can see with the closure of this red candle, when the RSI just crossed the level 70. So I'm making a trade here. I'm trading down, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a winning trade. So let us find the next situation. It would be on this candle. We already have this trade marked from the previous video, but again, here you can see we're making a winning trade. And again, here, with the closure of this candle, but this is a losing trade. So let's go on, wait for the next situation. And you can see if we would trade only based on the stochastic indicator, we would make many more trades. But the RSI can give you the additional confirmation in some cases. So here again, we are trading based on the both indicators, and again we would make the losing trade here. So let us find the next situation. Again, it is with the closure of this candle, and as you can see from before, this is a winning trade. And again, here it's a winning trade. So the next possible opportunity is here, but as you can see here, the stochastic is not below the red line, so we are not trading here. So basically this is how you would use the RSI. You're waiting for the levels above 70 or below 30, and then you are waiting for the opportunities to trade down when the RSI is above level 70, and you're waiting for the opportunities to trade up once the RSI is below level 30. As additional indicator, of course, you can use the stochastic, or you can use the stochastic as the base indicator, and you can use the RSI as the additional confirmation. Anyway, this system will allow you to make quite a high percentage of profitable trades if you are trading in the ranged markets. If you are trading when there are strong trends, when the market is going constantly down or up, it is not recommended to trade this system only based on the stochastic or RSI indicator. So this would conclude this video about the RSI indicator, and in the next video we're going to add one more indicator and we're going to see how to use it. It is Bollinger Bands. So keep in mind that this video presents only the basic use of the RSI indicator, and this is not yet a complete trading system. So it is basically a system that is based on two indicators, but to develop it in the complete trading system, you also have to calculate the money management and the other things that are important with binary options trading. So if you want to learn how to make profit out of this knowledge, please visit the www Real Binary Options Reviews, or read the description of this video. You will find more information about binary options trading basics, about trading indicators, about trading systems, and if you are looking for a way to make some profit with online trading, please visit my website. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see